So I happen to do a lot of tummy tucks in my practice, and a growing number of my patients are male. Tummy tucks are not necessarily known to be very, very common in men, but certainly the numbers are growing, at least in my practice. On the screen you can see a man who came in to me. He's a young guy, and he was in relatively good shape. As a matter of fact, he had done his job and lost a little bit of weight for himself. He was really trying to get a physique that he could be proud of. Unfortunately, he was left with some loose skin, particularly around the tummy. And he was very frustrated by that. He told me that no matter what he did at the gym, no matter how many crunches or how many miles he ran on the treadmill, he had a very difficult time getting rid of that tissue. And I had to explain to him that you can tone muscle, but you can't tone your skin. It's unfortunate, but true. So this patient complained to me that he thought his pant size wasn't bad, but he had a lot of tissue that came out over the top of his jeans. Not just a simple muffin top. He had skin that he had to tuck into his jeans, in which case he needed a larger waistband, or he could let it hang out over the top of his jeans. In either case, he was very anxious about it, and he couldn't wear any clothes that were not very loose-fitting. So in his case, we went to the operating room and performed a tummy tuck. Straightforward tummy tuck. In a man, I typically keep the incision a little bit higher in the middle, but a little bit lower on the sides. I want to make sure that when a man is wearing jeans or a bathing suit, no one is going to be able to see that incision. We decided to do some liposuction in the flanks in addition to the tummy tuck. And in the after picture, I do think that he looks much better. He certainly doesn't have any such loose skin anymore. And he's back at the gym now, working out and trying to tone his muscle, because that still remains his job, staying in shape. But I was able to help him in terms of removing the loose skin. So despite months of work in the gym, getting into better shape in general, it really just took a few hours in the operating room to give him that final push over the top, so he's got much more confidence and he's really enjoying his life much more.